Alright, so I am replacing the oil pressure sensor on this 2019 Kia Sorento with the 3.3 liter engine. This is a 24 millimeter 3/8 deep socket. I did have to modify it, as you can see in that area right there. So I had to cut it down to size, and then I had to get a grinder, and you can see the non-shiny part. That's what was needed in order to clearance that section there. You can see how I had to clearance this part of the cylinder head, and this pipe is in the way. And this is the setup you're going to need, like a swivel here with the 3/8 extension, and the one that's not gripping. That is what you need in order to take out the oil pressure sensor and to install it. You cannot fit a box end wrench or an open-ended wrench on this end. I'm pretty sure Kia has a special tool for this, but this was a lot of work just to make this work. It's a terrible design. You cannot unbolt this pipe tube here because the connecting section for both cylinder heads, this whole block here, so it's a very bulky and terribly engineered piece. So that is what you need in order to replace the oil pressure sensor. The socket is probably like $8, but you need to grind it. I know they have some on Amazon that just has this larger, and then it kind of like I don't know if the word is beveled, but it concaves down into a smaller portion. So those might be a little bit more helpful, so you have to grind less material away. This is a Tecton one, and there's another one. I think it's a standard version, which is 15/16. So that's everything you need to replace the oil pressure sensor on a Kia Sorento 3.3 liter.